I thought that shit had to be done with your eyes closed.
That's good enough. Okay.
Okay.
Patience, put your head up a little bit. Zoe's short.
Now we're gonna do this.
Mascara.
No. I'm gonna scream.
No, you're not. No scream.
Itchy.
Uncle Stinky, man.
He's asleep.
Okay.
Pissed.
Okay, that good eye. That's good. Do the other. Not her nose. Good eye. Awesome. Perfect. Beautiful. Now you need eyeshadow.
Wait, no, we
Oh no,
need
blush.
blush.
Blush, and then eyeshadow. Oh, hold
Wait,
on.
no, we need this. We need this.
Powder.
We need this.
Ah. Would you like to know how to put that on?
I know how.
There you go.
What a wonder.
Oh, no way.
Oh,
Oh, wait till you're done. And then they're all going to get me. It was only fair. And then somebody else gets to be photographer. Brent, you stay in here for a minute. You can be
okay,
photographer.
let's do this.
I gotta sit there and hold the damn camera. I gotta play music.
Hey, swirl. You're going to break my brush.
Tap, tap, tap.
Thank you. Beautiful.
We're not
Okay.
done yet. We're not done yet.
What's left? Eyeshadow.
Yeah.
They're doing
Use
it
some of
backwards,
your
but
guys.
that's
We
okay.
do.
Use some Zoe's. I love pink.
They like my makeup. Mine's minerals. It's easier to get off.
Use all of them on me. All of them on me.
The only
Patience.
thing I did is eyeliner and my nails black. That's it.
Patience. Oh, beautiful lady.
Okay, we'll do you next. Whoa, wait, we need this.
You need the radiance powder. Okay, flip it over. Flip it over.
The only one that does
Tap
my
it.
makeup is me.
Mm-hmm. That's all you get. You don't get very much of it.
Now I need this. Which
Yeah.
side should I use?
The big side. Now, all over her face.
1, 2, 3.
You don't have to tap that. Just all over her face.
In her nose, on her ears.
On the forehead.
Don't put it in her nose. It's my good brush.
Put it in her ears.
Okay.
No.
Okay, Patience. Let me see you. Oh, beautiful. Okay, you two do her.
Whoa, wait. Ow, my back. Okay, no.
Use all.
You guys can't look in mirrors, remember.
That means,
You guys just look
that means no
marvelous.
microwave. You can't look at the microwave.
They can't look at
windows.
any of the mirrors.
Come on, Savannah.
That's cheating. Okay, I gotta switch tape.